Hello and welcome to the Digital Validity channel. My name is Eric, and in today's video I'm just going to briefly show you what the peer protocol port is and how to allow incoming connections to that port by configuring our firewall. Now, the peer protocol port is port 51235. This is the main port that all the peers on the network communicate over. So before I show you how to configure a firewall, it's going to be a short video. I just want to read to you what the peer protocol is, and I'm just going to read it right off of the XRP Ledger website. Servers in the XRP Ledger communicate to each other using the XRP Ledger peer protocol, also known as RTXP. The peer protocol is the main mode of communication between servers in the XRP Ledger. All information about the behavior, progress, and connectivity of the XRP Ledger passes through the peer protocol. Examples of peer-to-peer communications include all the following: requesting a connection to other servers in the peer-to-peer network or advertising that connection slots are available, sharing candidate transactions with the rest of the network, requesting ledger data from historical ledgers or providing that data, proposing a set of transactions for consensus or sharing the calculated outcome of applying a consensus transaction set. To establish a peer-to-peer connection, one server connects to another via HTTPS and requests an HTTP upgrade to switch to RTXP. So, assuming you're a Ripple node, you're going to want to allow these incoming connections to port 51235. Now, if you're running Ripple as a validator, you want to close that port. You want to deny that port 51235. So I'll show you both. Now, if you already have this tool, the firewall CMD, if you already have this firewall, you can just type in or copy this command into your command line in Linux. I have a different firewall. I installed UFW, user-friendly firewall, and it's pretty easy to use. So if you don't have that and you're interested in installing that, I will show you the command. It's sudo apt get install UFW. So I already have it installed, but so let's say it's installed. Now you want to allow connections to 51235. This is the command. It's sudo UFW and allow, and you just type in the port number 51235. That's not a 5. There we go. Rule updated. So it says rule updated because I already have the rule in there, and since I'm running a validator, I deny 51235. So it updated my rule to allow 51235. But if you don't have a rule in there, it's going to say rule added. So if you want to check the status of your rules in UFW, you just type in sudo UFW status. Very simple. And here we are. Here's the different rules we've added. So here's 51235. This is the one we just added. So to allow. So now if you want to deny it, it's very simple. You just change the action to deny. So it's sudo UFW deny, and then you add the port number 51235. Very simple. So I'm going to deny it because I'm running a validator. We don't want any incoming connections to 51235 if we're running a validator. Like I said, this is a short video, but I just wanted to go over real quick. I failed to mention in my last video when we enable validation mode, there was one step that I had missed when we were going over this on the via rabbitkick.club. It's this area right here. It's in our rippled config file. We need to comment this out when we want to enable validation, because we're going to comment out where it says port 51235. So we're not going to allow that. Now that's for security reasons. So now let's go to we'll go to our config file. We're going to change directories, cd /opt/ripple/etc. And this is the directory where our Ripple configuration file is located. Now we want to look in the directory. There it is. So we're going to edit this file, sudo nano rippled.cfg. Okay, so we're going to scroll all the way down. Now, like I say, if you're a Rippled node, what I'm about to show you will already be uncommented. So I had commented it out because I'm a validator. So that's what you want to do. If you want to be a validator, you want to comment this out. And you just add the hashtags in the front here. Okay. And yeah, that's what I missed in the last video, enabling the validation. And also we want to, just in case, we want to make sure that peer private is set to 1. And then that's it. That is basically what we went over in the last video, enabling validation. So let's just go through this one more time. I'm going to go back. So like I said, if you're a node, you want to allow the incoming connections to port 51235. Now, you may want to check your settings on your Wi-Fi router and also port forward 51235. So again, we're going to use either this command if you have firewall CMD, or if you're interested and you want to install UFW, that's the command. And then to add rules, it's sudo UFW allow and the port number. If you're a validator, you could deny it. You just add deny. All right, well, that's all I have for today. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that you're interested in decentralizing the network and adding more nodes and validators on the network, and we can just keep decentralizing the XRP ledger. And like I said, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.